Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make White Castle Zesty Zing sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well I appreciate you joining us today. Thank you for watching on whatever platform it is that you watch the show. We appreciate it very much. Like I said, we're going to be making White Castle Zesty Zing sauce. So let's drop down here and see what we've got for our ingredients. We've got 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 of an onion, 1/2 cup mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of horseradish, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Start mixing it up. Alright, we are going to take our trusty NutriBullet here and we're just going to put our ingredients right into our container for this, because we're going to blend this up. If you have a blender or a food processor, works just as well. Got our mayonnaise in there to go for the ketchup. Onion, that'll just blend up really nice in there, along with our garlic. And I'm going to put our horseradish right in there too. And I'm going to blend this up first, get it mixed up before we add all of our seasonings in there. Alright, break up those onions just a bit. Let me get our mustard in here. Apple cider vinegar, honey, pinch of salt and pepper. Got our Worcestershire sauce, cayenne, and our paprika. I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. Again, finish it up. Just want to make sure I get all of that mayonnaise that's at the bottom, which goes to the top when you go to mix it up. But here is our sauce. There you go. Beautiful sauce. Smells good. The minute I pop that open, you can smell it. We are going to got some fries in the oven. We're going to come back and give this a taste. Enjoy these pictures. We'll see you in just a bit. Pictures, good shots of that sauce and these fries. We'll go ahead and give it a taste here. Dipping it right in there, you can see how that sauce sticks to these fries. Perfect consistency. Now let's see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, right away. Creaminess of that mayonnaise. That horseradish is coming up. Taste, it's not too hot though. Perfect combination. Mustard and ketchup are in there. You get that, you can taste the onion in there a little bit too, along with those garlic cloves. A little bit of the zing from the apple cider vinegar with that horseradish. And the mayonnaise are the most prominent, and all the other stuff that's in there is just really adding to the combination of flavors. That garlic, the salt, pepper, everything just comes together really well. This is a good sauce. Don't forget the recipe is down in the description box or the first pinned comment. Don't forget to go to my seasoning store over there at itsonlyfood.biz. Check that out. White Castle Zesty Zing sauce. Don't forget to check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, pumping from the soul kitchen.